With Jackie and Jackie, we are gearing up for could be a wild weather week.
Yes, I mean, we're talking the cold, bitter cold out there tomorrow morning in terms of the wind chills. Then we have temperatures moderating by Wednesday and Thursday. Then another big chill into this upcoming weekend, and watching the potential for some more accumulating snowfall out there as we look ahead towards the weekend as well. Keeping a close eye on that setup, but still have days for this to come together. So again, we'll give you the latest update as we get closer and closer towards this upcoming weekend. But what we do know over the next 24 hours is that it is going to be bitter cold out there. So make sure that you are bundled up, not only tomorrow morning, but also through the day tomorrow. It's going to be tough to make it to the freezing mark for those high temperatures. So just put that into perspective for the day tomorrow. Wednesday and Thursday, though, temperatures do moderate back into those 40s. So again, we continue that roller coaster of temperatures before we take a nosedive yet again into the weekend. And like I mentioned, watching that system closely as we look ahead towards Saturday. Temperatures out there right now, though, this cold front continuing to clear the area. Nose back out towards the Midwest and the Great Lakes region, and we just were talking about Michigan, where they dealt with all that snow, where they were also talking about temperatures in the single digits at this point. Yeah, that's not wind chills, single digit actually, with those temperatures there. Here locally, just above the freezing mark, but it's not feeling like that at this moment. We do have a bit of a breeze, so those wind chills out there right now, already noticing some single digit wind chills out towards Kaiser and Cumberland, closer towards DC, feeling like we're into those middle 20s. Farther off towards the north, though, Hagerstown, Frederick, already feeling like we're into those teens. There are some cold weather advisories out there that will hold till 1 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. That's along the spine of the Blue Ridge there in Virginia, and then back out towards western Maryland, as well as parts of the eastern panhandle of West Virginia. Those areas, we could see those wind chills at least sub-zero, at least 10 below or more. So again, just a heads up, it's going to be quite frigid out there and could be dangerous, especially when you factor in hypothermia as well as frostbite potential too, if you're going to be outside for an extended period of time. Planning out your day tomorrow, though, we're talking about bundling up into the morning. Bitter wind chills as we look still by middle to late morning. Look at those wind chills, right around 12 degrees, what it feels like by 10 a.m. Upper 20s by 2 p.m. for actual air temperatures, feeling like we're into those upper teens. At least we have the sunshine out there tomorrow, but overall, just going to be a frigid one out there for the day tomorrow. And this is just a view of those wind chills on the map. I mean, we're talking single digits as we're waking up tomorrow morning. As we look towards the afternoon, feeling like we're into those teens for much of the area. Yeah, only teens for those feels like temperatures through the afternoon tomorrow. Overnight into early Wednesday, some areas in the single digits, but overall wind chills not quite as bad as we look ahead towards your Wednesday morning commute, but still on the colder side, just not quite as bad as what we'll see out there tomorrow morning. Highs as we look ahead towards tomorrow into those upper 20s to lower 30s. Overall, much of the area struggle to make it to the freezing mark. Right around 40 on Wednesday, mid-upper 40s on Thursday, and then by Friday, we're back in those upper 30s. The weekend, though, we do have another cold blast of air. We're talking about highs Saturday and Sunday only into those lower 20s. Now we are watching a system that's coming together out over Texas and then continue to move its way closer towards the Carolinas. We could be on that northern extent of that system, bringing with it the potential for accumulating snowfall. So we're keeping a close eye on the storm track, the intensity, the timing, and the precip, but it's looking closer towards the weekend. But again, nothing is locked in, so we're going to keep a close eye on the developments of this system and also what we could expect here locally, looking more so like that snow chance, though, considering look at those high temperatures both weekend days. Lower 20s for highs, overnight lows into those teens. So again, we are primed for that potential for some accumulating snowfall both weekend days, at least as we get towards next Monday, clearing out, but still on the colder side into those mid to upper 20s.
All right, Jackie.